Ever wondered how professional chefs chop their ingredients so quickly and perfectly? The secret, my friends, lies in the art of the blade. A quality knife is a chef's best friend and the foundation of any well-prepared dish. Just like a painter needs a variety of brushes, a chef needs an assortment of knives. There's the chef's knife, your versatile workhorse, perfect for chopping, slicing, and dicing. The paring knife, small and mighty, great for precision tasks like peeling and trimming. And let's not forget the serrated bread knife, the saw of the kitchen, ideal for cutting through crusty breads and tender cakes without crushing them. But a knife is only as good as the hand that wields it. Be mindful of your grip, your stance, and always respect the blade. Safety should always be a priority, no matter how comfortable you become with your knives. Remember, a sharp knife is a safe knife, so keep those blades honed and ready. Got your knife? Excellent! Now let's talk about how to hold it. The grip, my friends, is the unsung hero of culinary prowess. It's the gateway to precision, control, and most importantly, safety. It's not just about holding the knife, it's about becoming one with it. Ever watched a pro chef in action? They use something known as the pinch grip. Here's how it works. You pinch the blade between your thumb and index finger, right where it meets the handle. The other 3 fingers? They're just along for the ride, loosely curled around the handle. This grip may feel a bit odd at first, but trust me, it's the secret to finesse in the kitchen. It gives you control, stability, and reduces the risk of the knife slipping. Remember, a good grip is a safe grip. With your fingers curled and thumb tucked away, you're in control. That's the pro grip. Now let's put those skills to the test with the ultimate challenge, the onion. This bulb isn't just about bringing tears to your eyes, it's about precision, control, and finesse. So let's start. First, slice off the top and the root of the onion, but make sure to leave enough of the root end to hold it together. Then, cut the onion in half from top to bottom. Peel off the outer skin, and you're ready for the real fun. Now here's where making the claw comes in. Curl your fingers on the hand holding the onion like a claw. This will protect your precious digits from any slip of the knife. Slice the onion vertically, making sure not to cut all the way through the root end. Then make a horizontal cut, again not cutting all the way through. Finally, dice the onion by cutting downwards. The result? Perfectly diced onion pieces. And voila! You've conquered the onion. No tears, just perfect pieces. Feel like a pro yet? Good. Now let's delve a bit deeper. Just as a painter uses different brushes for different strokes, a chef uses various knife techniques to create distinct cuts. Let's start with the julienne. This technique is all about creating matchstick-like pieces, perfect for stir-fries or garnishes. Next, we have the chiffonade. It sounds fancy, doesn't it? This is your go-to method for leafy greens and herbs. It results in thin, elegant ribbons that add both flavor and visual appeal to your dishes. And then, there's the brunoise, the epitome of knife skills. This technique is all about precision, creating tiny uniform cubes. It might seem over the top, but the brunoise is essential for dishes where you want the ingredients to blend seamlessly, like in a fine soup or sauce. You see, these techniques are not just about cutting, they're about understanding how the size and shape of an ingredient can enhance its flavor and presentation. It's not just chopping, it's a dance of the blade, creating textures and shapes that elevate your dishes. So, you've got the skills. But remember, practice makes perfect. Just like the maestro doesn't become a virtuoso overnight, you won't become a master chef in a day. It's all about repetition, consistency, and a dash of daring. Don't be afraid to try your hand at different ingredients. From the crunch of a carrot to the delicate flesh of a ripe tomato, each ingredient presents its own unique challenge. And it's in overcoming these challenges that you'll find your stride. Make practice a part of your daily routine. Maybe while making breakfast, you could try that julienne cut, or perhaps during dinner prep, you could practice your dicing. Remember, the kitchen is your playground, and if you need a little extra motivation, why not turn it into a game? Time yourself, set personal records. Make it fun. Above all, stay curious, stay hungry, and keep learning. Keep your knives sharp, your grip firm, and your spirit high. Welcome to the world of professional chopping.